Woohoo! Congratulations, graduates, and you parents too, of course. So my son is also graduating and I'm super excited. So I'm so thankful for the brand to send me these for me to review because look how awesome this is. You get this tablecloth, 4 honeycomb centerpieces, and look at this banner. How cool is that? Plus, check those out. You get 10 of those streamers and look how nice they are. It comes in this foil color, and all you have to do is undo it like this, and it becomes little swirls. They've also provided the plastic tabs so you can connect them. How fun is this? Congrats, grad. We did it. I'm done. Congrats. Finally. And you also get 20 balloons plus strings too. Perfect. As well as 2026 foil balloons. Now, I'm not ready to blow them up yet, so I'm not going to take it out. Also, another banner. So we are going to hang this up. Now, of course, right now, I'm just showing it to you, and I wanted to see what it looked like, and I'm super impressed. But we're going to hang this up at another time, decorate the whole house with it. So let me show you a close-up of everything you're going to receive. So in here is 4 2026 balloons. So I'm going to blow these up. They've also included this banner that you put together. It comes with string as well as a needle too for you to easily string it along. And it says Congrats Grad. You're also going to get a variety of balloons that also says you did it, plus string too. And you're also going to get this banner. Now, there are grommets on all 4 corners, but they've also provided string as well if you want to hook it up with the string. And they've also provided honeycomb centerpieces, perfect for decorating your table and other tables too. They've also provided these plastic loops so you can loop these up and look how pretty they are. And once you disconnect it like this, you can hang them up. And as you see over here, they also have these cardboard that you hang off these loops. So here's some more. Graduate 2026. Congrats, grad. You've done it. I'm done. Congrats, grad. Finally, we did it. And finally finished. Awesome. Here is a close-up of what those look like. You just put it up there and then you hang it up. And here's a close-up of the hangers. So you just undo the loop and you attach it. Isn't this a fantastic set? I am super impressed with all of it. And I think you will too. So again, congratulations. You guys finally did it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.